Go ahead. It's okay. 1, 2, 3. Hair.
Jump rope. Me do it, Mommy.
Hold on, I'll get you too.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, Cassie, your turn. You want to try?
2.
I'll go outside.
Me too.
Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4.
A ponytail, huh? Go ahead, hold on. You count to yourself so Cassie can do it.
1.
Back up so Daddy's chair's not in the way. Okay, now the table's in the way. There you go. I can't see you. Turn around. Back up so she can do hers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's like a spider web. I don't know if this really counts, but okay. 7, 5. Okay, we're going backwards.
It's 4.
4. Well, you're definitely going backwards now. 6. We're all over the board.
Mommy, I can do more than 20. I just need a lunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Oh, 14. That was great.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, try one more time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Uh-oh, Cassie was in the way. Go ahead. Stay there, Lolo.
1, 2, 3.
Take your time.
1,
Try just jumping instead of walking over it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
Look at your rope. It's all twisted. Untwist it, and then we'll try again later.